Say hi to my friends.
Why did you zoom in so?
I don't know. Okay, let me get that window lighting really quick.
Oh, it's a unicorn.
It is. I got it at Dollar King.
Dollar King?
Dollar King. It was
Is
$1.
it good? Is the quality good?
It is. Yeah, I mean, works stuff. Ah. This is how it usually is. I stare at myself for a good 10 minutes, figure out what I'm supposed to say, and then I just say it. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is my friend Ashley.
Hello.
Since high school. Come along with us. Guess where we're going? Where are we going, Ashley?
Disneyland.
Disneyland. We're like big kids. You know, we look like big kids. That's what we're doing.
Like pushing kids.
So yeah, we're on our way to Disneyland. I'm missing class for this, so you know this is some serious stuff.
Commitment, serious commitment.
Yeah. So goodbye. We'll see you in a little bit. What do people do? They go, see you in a little bit. Okay, bye. It's Mickey and Minnie. We just made it.
Hungry?
Ashley's hungry, so we're gonna go eat. We got these cute little badges. Throwback Nite. Oh my goodness, where are we going? What is happening?
They're making us enter a certain way because we're like...
Oh, because we're old?
No.
Oh.
Because we're the throwback party people.
Uh-huh.
So they're separating the ones that were here earlier.
Gotcha. Oh.
I've never been in this.
This is cool.
Sorry.
Don't trip, chocolate
When you're too
chip.
excited, you forget.
Okay. First thing we do when we get to Disney is eat. Oh, stupid. I'm like, why is it so dark? There it is.
My camera's not working.
Yay! There it is. So pretty. First stop, Ashley? Okay, bye. I was like, first stop?
I didn't hear you. We are going to town. We're gonna go Roger Rabbit. It's gonna be fun.
I just barely watched the movie. Merry Christmas.
January.
I know.
It's still pretty.
It is. It's so cute.
I just don't get why it's still open.
I know. I don't get it either. What do you think? You didn't tell me that was there. Jesus. No. Oh. Best lighting. We look scary. Dude, we look so scary.
Like we're in a horror film.
We out here in our castle. This isn't Sleeping Beauty's castle. This is our calf. Ah!
She's so
You know I've never watched the movie?
Go home.
Okay. That's me. That's me all the time. Just sleeping away.
Beautifully.
You know? Get it, Ashley. Get it. Hey. Hey.
That's me.
Guys, I ripped my pants on, what is it called? Matterhorn? Matterhorn.
Oh, I'm keeping my beanie.
Look at this.
What do you think, beanie or ears? Beanie.
We're so tired.
You're tired, I'm fine. That's why we have coffee.
We can't hang. So we're gonna drink coffee now. I don't know how people do this. How do they like...
You could like... And I'll scoot in. And we'll drink our coffee. I'm gonna move my bag so no one takes it.
We bought overpriced Starbucks.
But we...
What time is it?
10:30.
10:30.
Exactly.
And we're leaving at 1. 1.
Did you burn yourself? She spelled my name right. Look, it's not a video. Redo. Never.
We're at Disneyland this late because this is called the
Throwback night?
The Throwback night, and we're supposed to be dressed in 50s, but we're looking real basic.
Amateur.
Right
I would say amateur. We tried, but not hard enough. It's not even a gold star, it's like a bronze star.
I made my ears, guys. Kind of like show. This is really good. The real reason why I came to Disneyland?
It's me.
It's to find a Peter Pan.
No, it's me.
I think she's
To find a Peter Pan.
We haven't found We went on the ride.
I know.
At least you did that.
Where did I go? That's us, right there. No, I'm just kidding.
I was like,
Oh,
there we go. Wow, look at that quality.
wow. Totally covered my face. What is it with me covering my face?
Amazing.
Hey, but I won. No, I don't want this picture.
Hey! Oh, that's cool. That'll give you like a second of something.
This is my outfit.
Oh yeah. Girl, model for us. Do a catwalk.
I made
Catwalk. Turn it around, turn it around. Around, not that way. Walk this way, walk this way. Hey.
The overalls are from Charlotte Russe.
Cute, cute.
The bodysuit was $3 at Forever. I made the ears.
Let's see your ears. Wait, the lighting's good right here. Yes.
Yes.
Mickey.
Bye, Mickey. Bye.
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 It was nice seeing you for like a split second.
He's worse than that.
That's how my love life is going, guys. Make you leave me.
Story of our lives. How are you feeling?
Feeling good. Just a little tired. It's almost going to be, what, 12:30? We're
Yeah.
still going. Look at this cute ass couple right there.
That's cute. Goals.
They're so in love.
Damn it. Literally everyone though that we've seen.
Literally everyone is in a date.
Yikes. Okay, we're on a mission. Gigi, what are we doing?
We're gonna go get your purse.
Yes.
We're gonna get Ashley's purse. We're gonna steal Ashley's purse.
No. We're not stealing.
Guys.
Yeah. Do a little spin for us, Gigi. Go. Yeah.
August. This is where I belong.
Your side job. What you do when you're not vlogging. Where was it in there?
Yeah, in there.
Okay. Cool, cool. Yay! I'm gonna buy something I really love and probably regret it tomorrow morning.
Show everybody what you want to buy.
Okay.
It's automatic.
There you go. It's backwards. Ta-da!
There it is.
It's super cute. Yes, I'm ready. Here you go. It's still recording.
Okay. On my boobs. Great. I don't know who the hell this guy is. This is the last ride of the day. We're tired. Ashley snapping. I can't do it correctly.
Okay, you ready to say goodbye?
Why? We're done now? I'm just close out the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching us have fun with each other. Let's hope this is a good vlog. You guys know I'm not really good at this, but yeah. Before you leave, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.